The DTC C120001 typically indicates a malfunction in the ABS anti-lock braking system, or traction control system. This specific code is manufacturer-specific, but the base code C1200 generally refers to a wheel speed sensor issue or a hydraulic control unit HCU problem. The 01 suffix may indicate a specific sub-fault or data freeze frame. Common causes of DTC C120001. 1. Faulty wheel speed sensor, commonly the front left. Damaged or dirty sensor, broken sensor wiring or connector. 2. Damaged tone ring or sensor ring on the axle or hub. 3. ABS module malfunction. 4. Poor electrical connection to the ABS system. 5. Low battery voltage or unstable voltage supply. 6. Issues with the traction control system, which uses the same sensors. Symptoms: ABS warning light on, traction control warning light on, reduced braking performance, ABS or traction control not functioning. What to check? 1. Scan with a full-featured diagnostic tool to see live wheel speed sensor data. 2. Inspect the wheel speed sensor for physical damage or dirt. 3. Check wiring and connectors for corrosion, fraying, or disconnection. 4. Measure voltage resistance at the sensor. 5. If the sensor and wiring are fine, consider the ABS control module, or HCU. Got it? You're dealing with DTC C120001, and you've identified it's related to the front left LH wheel speed sensor wiring. That's a common issue, and luckily, it's usually a repairable one. Here's a straightforward guide to help you inspect and repair the front LH ABS sensor wiring. Tools, items you might need: jack and jack stands, wheel lug wrench, multimeter, wire strippers, crimpers, heat shrink tubing or electrical tape, replacement wire or ABS sensor pigtail, if needed, connector cleaner or contact spray. Step-by-step, front LH ABS wiring repair. 1. Lift the vehicle and remove the front left wheel. Safely jack up the car and secure it on jack stands. Remove the front left wheel for easy access to the sensor. 2. Locate the ABS sensor. The ABS sensor is typically mounted on the wheel hub. The wire runs from the sensor to a connector near the strut or fender liner. 3. Inspect the wiring. Look for cracked or split insulation, rodent damage, bent or corroded connector pins, broken or frayed wires near the sensor plug or mounting point. 4. Test with a multimeter. Disconnect the sensor. Use a multimeter to check continuity on both wires from the sensor to the harness. Measure resistance of the sensor, usually between 900 and 1500 ohms depending on vehicle. Check for short to ground or power. 5. Repair the damaged wiring. If damage is found, cut out the damaged section. Strip and splice the wires with solder or crimp connectors. Use heat shrink tubing to seal and protect the splice. Avoid taping alone if near high heat or moisture exposure. Optional, use a pre-made ABS sensor pigtail from a parts supplier if the connector is bad. 6. Reassemble. Reconnect everything. Reinstall the wheel and lower the vehicle.